Most people lose money in real estate because they enter late. Let me show you where to enter early here in Cameroon, in the city of Buea. Right now, I'm standing at Endeli Estate Phase 4 at Lower Munya at Buea Mokumba village, just 10 minutes drive from the main third road of Mount Carmel and directly accessible through the Tico National Airport. And today, I want to show you something most people don't understand about real estate investment. You see, most people always want to buy land when the area has fully developed, where there are houses everywhere, electricity is already there, water supplies are already happening there, and everything looks perfect. But here is the problem. By that time, prices have already gone up. Smart investors don't wait for development. They position themselves before development comes. This strategy is called land banking, and this is exactly why a place like Buea Mokumba is very important right now, because today land is very much affordable here. With just 2 million francs CFA, you get a 400 meter square piece of land, and with 2.5 million, you get 500 meter square piece of land. And as development expands from Mount Carmel Junction through this road leading to Tico International Airport, the prices of land here will not remain the same. If you are a serious investor, then this is where it gets even more interesting, because you can get an acre or a hectare of land here at Buea Mokumba at Lower Munya. This is exactly how big investors think. They don't just get a piece of land. They get an acre or a hectare. They secure land in bulk and weight. Another important thing is security. This land comes with a chief attestation, a site plan, a transfer of ownership, and the sale agreement. If you are interested about real estate in Cameroon, then this is where you should start thinking about. Endeli Estate Phase 4 is one of those opportunities you look back and said you wish you entered early. If you are interested, send me a message right now on WhatsApp or contact me directly via the numbers on your screen, and I shall guide you properly and safely. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more land banking opportunities like this here in Cameroon, especially in the city of Buea.